not be like, bye. I'll make sure you get to your destination safely.
Nana, that's what you said.
Mm-hmm.
No, not
Yeah, you said you're going to be hopping out.
And John, you'd have to help me. Do I pop the trunk over here? Oh, I see it.
It's the bigger one.
I can't. It's dark. It's too dark.
Well, it's right down there. Can you see it now?
Push it.
It's not. It's the lever. It is
Okay,
to
not now,
the
honey.
side.
Oh, it's down here for the trunk. Oh, I see it down here, down by the gas thingy.
Yes.
Okay. I gotcha.
Which one does he go into?
He goes in number 1,
He goes in.
and then
one?
we can do 2 or
2.
3.
Okay.
You guys go in 2.
Okay.
I go 1.
Okay.
What's this? Let's keep going. I want a Sprint when we get back. Ma, please.
Maybe.
I have one at my house.
Oh man, you know what we saw was open the other day? I don't know. It might be just weird hours. Want to tell them, Dan?
What?
Fritz's.
Yeah, Fritz's was open.
So we might have to
It
celebrate your
was?
tonight
Oh.
over the weekend with some Fritz's.
Yeah.
Oh.
We've all been
Yeah.
looking forward to some really yummy ice cream.
Yeah. I don't know.
Whoa, you wave that wand.
Why is he making this one?
Okay.
Look out! Look out! What's that?
Well, so we're.
I guess we're going in this entrance.
Construction reported ahead.
Okay.
Is that me talking?
Is there any of that Sprite left, Johnny?
It's.
Thanks.
Yeah. I guess there weren't instructions on whether you used north or south.
It did not say that. It just said to drop him off.
At gate 1.
What's that number? 5.
Yeah, this is a pretty big arena. The soccer team plays here, I think.
But the floor is just concrete.
Yeah, but they can change it. It can be an ice rink.
How?
I don't know how they do it.
Well, yeah. Well, I mean, a skating
It's
ring.
been a
I mean,
dirt
like how do they do it at the
The
Olympics?
circus
However they
comes
do it
out
there.
here.
I think we're going to have to make our way around to the right.
Yes. It is probably that first one way down there.
Yeah. I am not parking down here. I want to follow the rules that they told us. I see you.
Well, I don't know.
I'm just going to follow the line of cars because I'm sure they have to go.
Yeah. They wouldn't be here this early unless they were dropping kids off.
Well, and we were specifically told because I think, the different, like maybe high school comes to
Yeah.
a different
How
gate
many?
or
How many
whatever.
different schools are there?
It's all the Parkway, I think.
Yeah, I think so too. But I don't know that for sure. This is gate 4.
Keep going, folks.
Don't our water bottles count as metal?
Seems a little chaotic here.
Yeah.
So I would imagine that's our gate over there. We'll try. We will attempt. I can always walk you over. See, now people are coming in that one. That doesn't make any sense. Oh. Okay, thanks. Go, 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 go! Okay.
They don't know where they're going.
They don't know where they're going. I would have gone the way I wanted to go.
Yeah, see, there's somebody with this instrument right there.
I saw a lot of people with their instruments back there.
So backpacks have to be clear. What about water bottles?
You just stick them down inside the backpack. My clear backpack.
Go.
Okay, so you can stick mine in there.
Yeah.
Salsa.
We're just gonna
Just
park
gonna
down here
take
by the
mine and
light,
get
and then at least we know where we're at.
few steps won't hurt us.